In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Victoria. If you've received a fine and want to take care of it quickly, the online payment process is straightforward. The main thing you'll need before you begin is the reference number printed on your fine or letter. This could be your Fines Victoria obligation number, your payment reference number, or your payment arrangement number. Having that ready first will make the whole process much smoother. To get started, open your browser and go to the official Fines Victoria online payment website. Once the page loads, you'll see the section used for making a payment. This is where you can enter the number from your fine or notice. Carefully type in your Fines Victoria obligation number, payment reference number, or payment arrangement number exactly as it appears on the document. It's a good idea to double check the number before moving on, especially if it contains several digits, because even a small mistake can prevent the system from finding your fine. After entering the number, click on Pay. This will take you to the next part of the payment process where you can continue following the instructions shown on screen to complete your payment. Make sure you review the details carefully before confirming anything so you know you're paying the correct fine. If you're not planning to pay immediately in the standard way, there's another option available on the same website. Look for the section that mentions alternative payment methods. From there, click on Other Ways to Pay. This area is helpful if you need a different arrangement rather than making a full payment right away. Once you open that section, you'll be able to view options such as paying by installments. This can be useful if you'd prefer to spread the cost over time instead of paying the full amount in one go. Depending on your situation, this may be a more manageable option. You may also see the option for a payment extension. This is helpful if you need extra time before making your payment. If that applies to you, select the payment extension option and review the instructions provided on the site. As a final tip, always make sure you're using the official Fines Victoria website and keep a copy of any confirmation or receipt after you submit a payment or request. That way you'll have a record for your own reference. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Victoria.